maybe you should pull the fucking trigger.
Pull the trigger. Ain't nobody gonna do for you. Pull the trigger.
This is the like solid yellow line. You're not supposed to cross this because this is for buses and the emergency vehicles, and then you know what happens ahead. Why he is driving? He's like an idiot driver.
Driving. He's getting out of the car.
Stop talking.
Okay, well.
Pull the trigger.
Off-roading helmet and doing off-roading.
Pull the trigger.
Fucking idiot.
Pull the trigger.
और ऊपर चढ़ा ला. This is how bad the Indian drivers are. It doesn't have zero sense.
They see me rolling, they hating, patrolling and trying to catch me riding dirty. Trying to catch me riding dirty. Trying to catch me riding dirty. Trying to catch me riding dirty.
लोग कभी नहीं सुधरेंगे. Idiot like this don't even have the mirrors. Show me your face.
Trying to catch me riding dirty. Trying to catch me riding dirty. Trying to catch me riding dirty.